So today we're relatively lucky. The house has basically got a near perfect pitch facing north, which is really great for installing solar panels obviously. At around 15 degrees, up down we like to be around that 12, but yeah, great positioning. So I'm happy with the outcome. A system like this that we're installing today would generate anywhere to around 35 to 44 kilowatt hours a day. So hopefully we can get close to eliminating her power bill. The roof on this particular job is three pitches or offset roofs, both facing kind of northeast, so we're about 45 northeast. That's the best pitch we can get, is around that 12 degrees facing north, so we can't obviously change the way the roof is, but the way it's facing as we speak is pretty good. We've obviously inspected where the shading occurs on the roof, so where we've actually pinpointed to put the solar is basically where there's no shading at all, and the best outcome will happen due to the sun being able to hit those panels all day long without any shading issues. The return on investment for a property like this is around 3 years. Consumption's a hard one to speak about because obviously every house is different and every homeowner uses a different amount of power, but on average you can expect anywhere from say 23 to 35 kilowatt hours a day. So this job's about offering the customer a renewable solution, which is obviously solar.